This is off-roading. Woohoo!
Look at that road. Make sure you get the trail. Look at this thing. Wow. No, keep it on the trail.
Oh gosh. It might be shaky because it's crazy. Yeah, this is the trail. Oh god.
Oh yeah, that's good. Keep it like that.
This is the best time of my life. Oh gosh, oh god. That was crazy. Peace, people.
This is a sick trail here.
Oh gosh, oh my gosh.
Is this it? No, this isn't it. Hold on, keep it going.
Okay.
Whoa!
What?
We almost flipped.
Really? Very sorry. No, Jeep is muddy.
Alright, where was that really good one? Oh, it's up here.
For some reason, my don't know much money.
Yeah, here it is, right here.
Oh,
This one is crazy. You'd never think we'd be able to get it up there. But watch.
Okay, guys. Never try this without a Jeep. Oh,
Look at this road.
Look at this. If you try this with like a regular car, then that would be a very bad idea. Oh God, you're stuck.
Nope.
You're stuck.
Nope. Keep it on the road.
Oh gosh, look at this road. It's like all. You're stuck. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you're gonna get stuck or not. Oh, we got that. Wait, did you bring that new thing? Like
The winch?
yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
You can't stop this Jeep.
Don't try this with a regular car. This is fantastic. You shush. Oh gosh.